Hello pen testers, this is Puneet Darji back again with another CVs video. Why I am saying CVs video? Because this time the chain of CVs that gain the remote code execution vulnerability. So I am going to demonstrate. The vulnerability is in cups, not the teacups, but this is the cup stands for Common UNIX Printing System. The Common UNIX Printing System has a multiple vulnerability that could allow an attacker to gain remote code execution. This vulnerability affects different components of cups, including cups browse, lip cups filters, lip PPD, and cup filters. So think like that. The bad guy changed the address of your printing to fake address. When you try to print something, your computer thought it was sending to your printer, but it was actually going to the bad guy's computer. The bad guy could then use to do bad things like steal your personal information, install malware, or gain your computer access, something like that. So these are the CVs: CV 2024, 47176, 175, 177, and 47076. These are the CV IDs that are associated with this vulnerability. So let's move on to the demo part. So you will get the better understanding. So this is the setup where I have installed Ubuntu and Kali Linux in my virtual machine. So just this is the Ubuntu, and this is the Kali Linux which I have installed in my virtual box. So let me show you the Ubuntu version. So lsb_release and -a. So here I am using the Ubuntu 22.04, and let me show you the Linux version. So 5.15, the kernel version. Now the default port for cups is 631, which is the standard IPP port. So cups may use the different port such as 515, or for LDP printing, or 8631, different port it may use. So the general question is cups installed by default and started in Ubuntu? So answer is yes. The cups server started automatically after installation on Ubuntu. So let me show you. The 631 port will open ANU. So 631 is a local address and established with the 0.0.0.0. So it's throughout the network. So it's a broadcasted the 631. Now you can access the cups web interface at HTTP localhost and pass the 631 based on your installation. So you can use this interface and manage the printers depending on your task. So let's clear this screen. Now let's go to the Kali Linux. So here I have already installed the cup hex. So this payload, let me show you the payload. So this is the payload which I am going to use to demonstrate. So he has mentioned the technical details, and also mentioned that you need to install the two requirements, zero config and IPP server. So here you can use the commands. So --name. So you can give the name of printer, --IP, you need to pass the target IP, the command, whatever the command you want to achieve, the port, you can pass the port as well, and this is the optional base 64. So wrap the command in base 64, by default is enabled. So let's move on to the our Kali Linux. So I have installed the cups hex using the git clone. So just pass the git clone and give the you can download using the git clone. So let's go to the cups cd, let's ls. So here I am already in my folder, cup hex folder. So let's clear. Now I need to activate the environment variable, virtual environment for the Python. So Python -m venv venv. So venv it's here. Now let's source and activate. So here Python 3 cups hex, name of the printer. So here I am passing the name of printer, and here passing the Kali Linux IP address, because I want to create a fake printer. So let me show you. Clear, what is my IP? ifconfig. So 10.0.2.15. So here passing the 10.0.2.15, giving the port 44034 and the command. So command I am passing the touch/tmp/punit file created. So whenever victim try to print, it will execute this command and create the punit file. Created the file name will be created in temporary folder in the Ubuntu. So in the Ubuntu, I will show you that there is no such printer. So go to here, you can see no such printer. Let me show you again. Print. So here, as you can see, no printer is there. Even we can see that discard, no discard. So here I am giving the print command. It's showing the generic command only, generic printer only. So let's create the fake printer. So using this cup hex, it will create the fake printer, and whenever victim gives the print command and select our printer, the command will be executed. So let's create the fake printer. So here the server is started, IPv server is started, and here you can see. Let's go to printer again. So here Punit printer is created. So in this Ubuntu, we haven't created any printer. So this is the fake printer. Now let's give the, let me show you the temporary folder. So ls, so no such file. Punit file created is not, no such file over here. So whenever I give the Punit Darji, Control P, and select the Punit printer, give the print. So in the Kali Linux, you can see, and in the Ubuntu, the printing is going on. and here let's check. So the file is created. So let's try with the different command. Let's say id command we can try. Let's stop this server. So let's kill the Python 3 and again id and so I am passing the id and it will save in the Punit file. So let's create the printer. Again give the printer. Punit printer is selected. Let me show you over here. No such file. Punit file is not yet over here. And give the print command. Now ls. Here you can see the file is created, Punit, and let's read this file. Okay. So here you can see the id command is executed and id command id is 7 and our id is different. So my id is 1001 and this is the fake server. The command is executed. So this is all about the vulnerability which I have tried to demonstrate over here. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then share with your InfoSec friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.